Hey beautiful people, this is Dean here from Raqmedia.com. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix Windows taskbar icons not showing just in one click. Welcome back. As you can see here, the problem is clear. All the Windows taskbar icon has disappeared, and instead it shows a circle loading with nothing happening. As usual, the first troubleshooting step is to restart your system. If this fixes your problem, then that's okay. If not, as it is in our case, we have restarted the system many times, but the taskbar icons have failed to appear. Right? To fix this, we just need to head on to Task Manager. To do so, you just hit Delete, Shift, and Backspace at the same time. This will make the Task Manager appear. Good. From here, we'll search for Explorer.exe and filter by memory. This will make it appear at the top, Windows Explorer, as you can see it in here. Just hit at the top, Restart Task. Great. We'll also restart it again for the second time, just to restart your system, and hopefully your problem is solved. As you can see here, after restart, we have got back our icons without any problems. And that's it for this tutorial. Hope that was helpful. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like the video, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new tutorial like this one. Till next tutorial, this is your host, Dean. See you around. Peace.